If you want your bike to sound like this video is for you. We're gonna open a window over here in the cat itself to empty the cat and then weld that window back on. Now that we made the window, just gonna go ahead and try to lift it. Maybe we need a bigger one. Oh, see, this comes on. So this is what we need to weld back. So we need to keep this right here. So we still need to cut this one. The second layer of the cat is really deep, so we had to upgrade this to 6-inch. So let's see if we can get it off with this one. Sure. I'm losing all my screwdrivers because of Abraham. It's okay. Now that both of the layers are off, let's go ahead and empty the cat. I wonder if it blocks all the air and all the performance, because look how thick it is. Here, as you can see, I started using a screwdriver, and in the second video I started using a drill bit, but unfortunately both didn't work, so I went ahead and I started using the whole drill bit. It's working! Using a screwdriver and a hammer, we managed to remove everything from this side, and we have to do exactly the same thing for that side. It's a lot of work, guys, but hopefully it's gonna worth it. Now that we cleaned both sides, we're just gonna blow it with some air to make sure the exhaust is clean. Now, since the exhaust is clean, what we're gonna have to do is weld the cover back, and that's the machine I'm gonna be using, the flux welder. So what I'm gonna do is clean the area, and then I'll do spot welding here, and then try to weld everything together. Like I said, guys, I'm not a professional welder, but this is what I came out with. This part here was a little bit deeper, so it looks the ugliest. But what do y'all think? Write down in the comments. We cut it, weld it back. So this is just a small testing method that I came up with. I'm gonna put water here at the O2 sensor location. We flip the whole exhaust system just to see if there's any water gonna leak up. That means we don't have any holes. I'm a professional welder. No, I'm not. like we have some leaks. We saw that we have some leak with the water, but we really couldn't tell where the leak was coming from. So we have test number 2, which is we clog the side of the headers with cloth, and then we're gonna use air from the vacuum going into the exhaust with soap. We're gonna see exactly where we have the leaks.
In 3, 2, 1.
Send it! 1 leak. 2 leaks. We don't have any leak over here. We don't have any leak over here. I see a big leak over here. See? So that's, we got a big leak over here. And then looks like we got 1 leak. So we got the whole inner side of this piece. Outside as well. And 2 leaks on this side. Yep. Now with the soap we determine exactly where the leaks are. 1, 2, and then the whole inside here and the outside pieces. So let's go ahead and give it a second welding. Second session. Like Abraham said, finally, after several attempts, we managed to get this welded.
And call it done.
If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button below, and thank you for watching this video.